In this video, I'm going to show you how to elevate your photos and cutouts in Photoshop so that they look extra crispy and high res in all of your graphics. To get that high res, high quality, super crispy quality look, we're going to use the camera raw filter. We're going to start with this graphic that I made during the 2026 Winter Olympics. As you can see here, this cutout of these two athletes looks pretty good already, but let's elevate it a little bit more. What we'll do is we'll select the cutouts, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and what will appear is a pop-up window of a few different ways you can edit and elevate this layer. To get that high-res, crispy look, what we'll do is go to Effects, we'll increase the texture, increase the clarity, and then continue to scroll down all the way to detail, and sharpening adds that crisp effect and look to these cutouts. For the purposes of this video, what we'll do next is just click OK. And as you can see here, these cutouts now have a very crispy high-res look. This is a great way for you to elevate your player cutouts and photos to in turn elevate your graphics that much more. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. See you next time. Peace.